Imagine cruising silently through the city streets, not in a car or a van, but in a futuristic electric camper that turns heads everywhere it goes. No gas. No rent. No rules. Just you, the road, and a rolling piece of functional art that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi film. Meet Kevin Sears' 2027 electric camper RV, a jaw-dropping, mind-bending creation that's redefining freedom, mobility, and minimal living all in one. This isn't just a camper. It's a revolution on 3 wheels. Kevin Sears has always pushed the boundaries of mobile living, and now in 2027, he's taken it to the next level. Fully electric, ultra-compact, and completely self-sufficient, this camper isn't built for luxury, it's built for liberation. Picture a vehicle that runs completely off-grid, powered by solar panels on the roof, with a battery pack strong enough to take you over 150 miles on a single charge. And it's not just a concept, this thing exists, it moves, and it's ready to take you anywhere. On the outside, it looks like something out of a dream, a cross between a futuristic RV and a custom art installation. It's hand-built, every detail crafted with purpose. The body is made from lightweight aluminum and sustainable composites, making it efficient but durable. Windows are tinted for privacy, yet they let in floods of natural light, giving you the feel of openness while you camp anywhere, urban alley, coastal cliff, or forest trail. And inside? It's compact but brilliant. There's a convertible sleeping space, a fold-out desk, hidden storage, a mini electric stove, and even a compact shower system that recycles water. Every inch is optimized. There's no wasted space, no extra weight, just pure, smart living. It's minimalist, but not in a boring way. It's genius engineering made to fit your lifestyle, not the other way around. The best part? You don't need a parking space or a campsite. You can stop anywhere, live anywhere, and wake up to a different view every day, without ever paying rent or utility bills again. It's the dream of total freedom, and it's real. And here's what makes it even crazier. While most RVs are made for highways, Kevin Sears' design is made for cities. Narrow streets, tight corners, rough sidewalks, no problem. This thing is maneuverable like a bicycle but feels like a micro-apartment on wheels. You don't just travel in it. You live in it. You thrive in it. So if you're tired of the same old routine, the bills, the noise, the chaos, this might be your escape pod. The 2027 Kevin Sears Electric Camper RV isn't just a vehicle. It's a movement. A statement. A lifestyle. Because in a world where everything's getting more expensive, more complicated, and more crowded, Kevin Sears is quietly leading a rebellion. And it's silent, solar-powered, and built for the wild ones. Still watching? Good. Because this might be the spark that changes everything.